Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. This is a little mail call video. I don't usually do these, but the stuff that has been sent to me from a very, very kind viewer has kind of blown me away a little bit. Just the generosity, I've said this before and I will continue to say it, the generosity in this wet shaving community is it's unbelievable. Some of the things, I'm quite lucky, I get sent a lot of stuff from companies wanting me to review razors and soaps like that. But occasionally some viewers of my YouTube channel just reach out and say, I want to send you something. Which is always really, really nice, really kind, really generous. So this particular one is from Vinny DeVivo in New Jersey in the States. Vinny said, I want to send you some shave stuff, so I said, right, okay, that's fine, thank you very much, I appreciate that. So he sent it, and it came in this this big box like this. I didn't know what he was sending, but when I opened the box, I was like, this is unbelievable. Just the kindness, generosity. Yeah, I don't know Vinny, he's just a viewer, he comments on a couple of my videos. Some of my videos, I think it was his brother, or he asked his brother to give him a mention in one of the videos. I can't remember, but we've been exchanging emails kind of back and forward, and he'd said he wanted to send stuff. So thank you, Vinny. I really appreciate this, the things you've sent. So let me show you what Vinny sent me. Right, first thing, when I opened the box, I seen this Crampert's Bay Rum Acadian Spice Shaving Soap. Now, I've always wanted to try Crampert's. So here it is here, brand new tub, smells beautiful. Yeah, I've heard people say their Bay Rum is very, very good, and it does smell excellent. Manufactured by Soap Smooth in California, USA, exclusively for Crampert's finest. So there's that there. So that's what I seen when I opened the box. I thought, great, I've never tried that, I've always wanted to try it. So that's that. The next thing I seen was this little thing. I thought, what is that? This was attached, it was in a bag with this box. So I thought, right, okay. So it opens the box up, and there's this inside it, a hip flask. Yeah, so this. I thought, right, okay, what can I put in that? Then I sees this on the front of it. Crampert's finest Acadian Spice Bay Rum aftershave. Now, I thought this was full of aftershave, so I opened it like that. Can't smell any Bay Rum. Right, there's nothing in it. So I thought, okay, that's obviously you can put your own aftershave in it. That just kind of goes with it. Obviously, this is for filling up whatever you want to put in there. And the next thing I see is this Crampert's Bay Rum Acadian Spice Aftershave, 4 fluid ounce. So this is obviously the aftershave that goes in here, but not just one of these, 2 of these. So yeah, I don't know how much. Oh, six fluid ounce this holds. So I'll be able to fill this up with that and the other bottle, and I'll still have 2 ounces left. Yeah, so just like, these are brand new, still sealed. Incredible, really, really incredible. Great stuff. So I shall put that in there. He also sent this, which I was a little bit, I didn't know what it was to start with, and I seen it, and then I started reading it, the label. I thought, right, okay. So it's this Ice Tube Epic Pre-Shave Soap 2.0 Tech, and then I noticed it was made by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. So I thought it was a shave stick until I read it, pre-shave. So here it is here. Right, it's mentholated. So I've looked this up on the PAA website, and this has I think it's some CK6 formula in it. But I ran my fingers over it like that, and the slickness on it is unbelievable. It's mentholated, but as a pre-shave, these are supposed to be fantastic. So that's, I don't know if this is just out or what, or if it's been out for a while, I'm not sure. I think it's the cube. I think it's the cube in a stick form with a slightly, I don't know if it's an upgraded formula, something like that. So I can't wait to try that. Very good. Yeah, there was also in the box, now I always struggle to find, I have one of these aftershaves. It's not by a brand, it's the scent, and I always struggle to find a good one, or anyone for that matter. So this was in the box as well. Now this is a lavender aftershave. You can see it there, and I just read the ingredients. Contains organic lavender essential oil, aloe vera gel, witch hazel, glycerin, xanthan gum, polysorbate 20 formulators, blend, water. So full bottle of that. So it was taped down, but I've screwed the lid off. Yeah, I love lavender soaps, but it's hard to get a nice smelling splash. And this one, who's it made by? Pelindaba Lavender, San Juan Island. So very, very good stuff. Smells great. Thanks, Vinny. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. A lavender splash. This was also in the box as well. Unbelievable. I think these are just out, or they've just recently came out. It's a brush. It's from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it's the Peregrino. There's the brush there. It says on it Phoenix Shaving. Yeah, Phoenix Shaving, A Shave New World. Yeah, so that's the top there. I'll show you all this when I use it in shaves. For exceptional results, use our artisan shave soap, and don't forget the cube. Yeah, I love the packaging on the Phoenix stuff. Wait till you see this brush. Look at that. That is beautiful. You know what this reminds me of, actually? Yeah, great knot in it as well. Very soft. It reminds me of just the way that's shaped, and it looks like that. I don't know if there's anything to do with it, but it reminds me of a kiwi fruit. You know when you cut a kiwi fruit in half? And it's that colour, and yeah, it just looks great. Just looks fantastic. Very, very good. So that's the brush. The Peregrino. Can't wait to use that. Right, this was also in the box. Now this comes with a free beer mat, and it's this. Here's the beer mat. So it's the Gentleman's Nod Kanpai. So Kanpai is I take it it's a cocktail, because it gives you the ingredients for making it on the back there. So this is a Gentleman's Nod limited edition shave soap. Yeah, I'm not sure how many of these were made, but it's gin, yuzu, anise. There's the soap there, brand new tub. It smells like it's got a sweet scent to it. It smells great. Very unusual scent, but very nice. It almost smells like, to me, like a bubblegum. Like Hubba Bubba bubblegum. But I don't know, it might lather differently, but it smells great. It really does. So that's a limited edition shave soap. So thank you, Vinny. And the last thing that was in the box. Now I know this is an expensive shaving soap or cream. I think it's a soap. So I was really surprised when I seen this box. It's this Nuavia. Now this is a beautiful cardboard box. So you lift the lid off like that, and inside there's a little note, and Vinny has scored out his name and put Kevy So this gives you like just instructions on how to lather it up. It's beautifully packaged, all like that. Yeah, and inside there's a, just let me get this off. There's a really nice glass heavy jar. It's got the seal on it there. I don't want to break the seal, but yeah, just a really nice soap. I think this is a Nuavia Blue shaving soap made in Italy, in Rome. Panacrema.com. Yeah, it's Panacrema Nuavia. So look at that. I know that is an expensive soap. So thank you, Vinny. Unbelievable generosity. Have I missed anything out? No, I think that's everything. Yeah, so just a little mail call video just to say thank you very much, Vinny, for sending all these shave goodies. Just unbelievable generosity. I'm so humbled by it all. Yeah, really appreciate you taking the time to send all this stuff. Yeah, just thank you once again. So, and it's good that it's new stuff that I'll be able to show off on the channel. I've not used any of this stuff before, which is quite unusual, but yeah, very good. You must have done your homework, Vinny. So well done, and thank you very much once again. Okay, that's all from me for this little video, little mail call. I just wanted to show these things to you guys, and yeah, you'll no doubt see them in upcoming shaves using all these products. Very good. I can't believe it. Right, okay, I'll see you in the next video. I'll say it once again, one more time. Yeah, thanks, Vinny. Take care, and I will see you all soon.